kind of back into making videos here. It's been a while since I posted anything on this channel at all, and any of my channels really. It's been about at least a month. The podcast has been a month. The reality check gaming, which is like regular gaming, has been 3 to 4 months, and then this one is about 3 to 4 months as well. And I have a podcast episode coming soon, hopefully. Still haven't recorded it yet, but we're working on that. I will leave a link down in the description for both my other channels if you want to just hang out and keep up to date on the videos. But as you may have noticed, I haven't been on YouTube as often, maybe like a short here and there. But the main thing is, like, the main videos haven't been uploaded or haven't been worked on in quite some time. I've just been really busy with things going on, and I don't want to explain everything because that's a lot of time, a lot of energy to go over it all over again. Long story short, we had a lot of renovations we had to do, and still working on a lot of them. Just, and I only have a month left before I go for my annual vacation with the family, and yeah, so a lot of time crunches here. So I'm hoping to have this video out soon, but I have been also developing some very fun skills over the past couple of months. I've picked up a 3D printer, the Ender 3 V3 SC, and I got it for really cheap, so I was like, why not? And it's been really fun to learn how to use that thing. I recently sold it because it was just too small for the things I wanted to print, and I got myself the Yonguo 3 Plus, and it's been amazing. There's little to no issues with like the sizing of helmets. Like, I've been making helmets like these, like full size cosplay helmets, not for cosplay, but just for in general. And it's been really fun to use. Not very good at it yet because there's a lot of things I gotta learn how to do, and a lot of techniques I still have yet to discover. But this is the first time I've made on the Yonguo 3 Plus, and you'll see why in this case size matters when it comes to printing, because it made this all in one piece, which is my main goal. And this is a very much a test helmet, not a perfect helmet because the layer lines are just massive, and I didn't feel like sanding it all down and covering it with putty. It's a very good start, and it's a good test helmet to see what paints work with the gunmetal powder and what paints don't. And I also will be hosting a giveaway on some prints I've made in the past. So the giveaway is live right now via Gleam. All you gotta do is just go down in the description and click the link. You gotta be inside the United States, otherwise you can't enter. The giveaway is free to enter. By the way, if you are in the USA, that's basically it. Unfortunately, this is how we're gonna have to do the giveaways from now on, is via Gleam, because I don't have a server or anything else to really do giveaways anymore. So this is how it's gonna be from now on. And I can't guarantee my upload schedule because it's just very busy time for me, very busy year, and I don't think it's gonna slow down anytime soon. With me heading out for me going on vacation and a bunch of other stuff that's going on. And hopefully next year it'll be a lot more calm. I have a lot more motivation to do videos. There's a lot of bullshit that's going on right now, both good and bad. So I am just wanting to update you guys on things that have been going on. And, well, not necessarily everything, but just letting you guys know I'm still here. I still plan to make YouTube videos. But with that said, please remember to like, subscribe, and remember, virtual art, check yourself. Peace.